Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Rise Against. It is one of the three songs or artists that we are going to react to in this video. The first one we are starting with Rise Against. Re-Education is the name of the song. Through Labor. Now that's a lot of things put in the title of the song. It's a request of our patron Nick. Let's listen to the song and see what is this re-education through labor.
I don't think this artist or band is pretty popular in this part of the world. Asia and Africa, I doubt people have heard this song or the band.
Yeah, unless they are from Africa.
Yeah, and it's definitely a first time listen for us. I don't know how well this will do on our channel, but that's our purpose. One of our purposes to create awareness for such unknowns, artists, unknown musicians, unknown artists in this part of the world. Yeah, and I hope it's enjoyable to us, of course, because we give open, honest
reactions,
unbiased and unscripted reactions.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
To the sound of a heartbeat pounding away, to the rhythm of the alpha rushing machines, we toss and turn but don't sleep. Each breath we take makes us thieves, like causes without rebels. Just talk but promise nothing else. We crawl on our knees to you, under a sky not longer blue. We sweat all day long for you, but we so cease to see us through, 'cause sometimes dreams just don't come true. We wait to break what we are due. To the rhythm of a time bomb ticking away, and the blare of the sirens coming to strays. Stay still like dogs we run from your grasp until the sun comes up. We crawl on our knees to you, under a sky not longer blue. We sweat all day long for you, but we so cease to see us through, 'cause sometimes dreams just don't come true. Look now at what they've done to you. White needles buried in the red, the engine roars and then it gives, but never dies, 'cause we don't live, we just survive on the scraps that you throw away. I won't crawl on my knees for you. I won't believe the lies that hide the truth. I won't sweat one more drop for you, 'cause we are the rust upon your gears. We are the insect in your ears. We crawl, we crawl, we crawl all over you. We so cease to see us through. Our days are precious and so few. We all reap what we are due. Under this sky no longer blue, we bring the dawn long overdue. We crawl, and we crawl, and we crawl all over you.
Wow, this reminded me a lot of The Offspring.
Yeah.
Beautiful music, well sung. I love this guy's voice.
I like the way it was sung.
Very well sung and powerful lines, The first half seems to cover how they are tormented,
Yeah.
how they are controlled, manipulated.
Yeah.
The second half is where they saying enough is enough.
I'm not gonna do it.
We are going to crawl all over you now. It's our time.
We rule you.
Yeah, that kind of sums it up for me.
Yeah.
What about you? What are your thoughts and feelings?
I like the way it was sung. A lot of power, a lot of energy, a lot of passion in it. And initially, since we don't listen to Rise Against that much, I think once we have reacted to, not more than once, to them, and that also may have been the request of Nick himself. Yeah. Wasn't the words wasn't making that much sense initially, but then later on when I started connecting with the music and the vocals, it started making things clearer. I wonder what is it talking about? Is it
Perhaps-
soldiers? Is it
Yeah.
what?
I thought about the same thing. That
Yeah.
initially maybe about soldiers, but I guess it's about everyone in general in a particular society where they are controlled, manipulated by the system. The media is also hand in glove with the system and the owners and the governors. Yeah, I'm guessing it's talking about the system in whole. It could be the education system, the governing system, or it could be about a corporation too, the corporate world. Where you're made to
Yeah.
work for peanuts and pennies at times.
Yeah.
I don't know how far that is true, but yes, I've heard so many stories that it probably is.
Well, I mean, corporations these days make people work on such clauses and such underground things, the non-disclosure agreement and this and that. That itself is unethical. You're earning money because you need the money, but the corporation is making a bad use of a person just because the person is in a very weak situation or weak position.
Or they're made to feel weak. They're made to feel
weak,
dependent
Yeah.
on the system. Yeah, I'm guessing it's about something like that. Who knows? Nothing was made clear.
Nothing was very, very clear. I could also be
that's-
thinking about farmers.
Yeah, that's a disappointing thing
Yeah.
about songs like that. It's
Yeah.
phenomenal the way it was
Sun.
sung, written, and the music too. It reminded me a lot of The Offspring. I'm repeating that. But more and above, yeah, it's something which I don't get. Maybe it's one of those bands like Rage Against the Machine or something.
Yeah, because
It's one
they
of
have
those
Rise
bands,
Against.
yeah. So this is similar to them perhaps, and maybe there'll be more songs like this. This is not the only one.
Right.
Yeah, but I liked it. I liked listening to it for what it's worth. I like listening to it. I don't really connect much with it because in where I come from, I don't feel I'm controlled so much in my life or with the way I live my life. I don't really necessarily see that happening. But yes, when it comes to interacting with other parts of the world on this platform and all, yes, I do give up some control and I realize that, which is never good. But at sometimes it's not in our control at all, and that's a disappointing thing for me. So I understand it a bit, but overall, in a general sense, I don't think I understand what is going on here.
Yeah, there was a small hint of some needle, white needle or red needle, something they were saying. I guess that would give a clue to some people, but I don't get that.
Yeah,
What was that about? Never mind. Let's move on to our next song.
yeah. Any final thoughts before we wind up? Anything at all?
I enjoyed the music and I enjoyed the vocals a lot. Would be interesting to listen to more Rise Against. If this is the standard music, then it would be good.
Yeah, but hopefully different topics.
Yeah, something that
If
we
it's the
can
same
really
thing,
understand. Yeah.
Like certain artists and rappers, especially.
Yeah.
It would be a bit disappointing, even if it sounds good.
Yeah.
We are not just
The same words
looking
used
for.
in different way.
We are not just here to listen to music. We are also here to test our skills and you learn something useful along the way and analyze things as
Add
counselors
some
and
value to
teachers. Add some value and also take away something
Yeah.
valuable. The next song is Bad Company's Seagull. The song is Seagull. Bad Company we have heard a couple of times.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is about. We'll be back in 8 seconds or less.
Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Seagull. It's a song by Bad Company and request of our patron Nick. This is our first time single take. Honest reaction to this song, Seagull.
Yeah, I remember we reacted to a song months ago called Bad Company, Bad Company.
Bad Company.
You know, I mean, the artist is Bad Company, the band,
Yeah.
and the song's name was also Bad Company.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Wasn't Shooting Star also there?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Let's get started with this one. First time listening to this song, Seagull. Probably is about a seagull. I don't think there's going to be any other
Reference to it, yes.
implications or meanings. It should be beautiful to listen to if that's the case.
Yeah.
Let's listen to it.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question, is this really the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why. And you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Na, 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 na. Seagull, you fly across the horizon into the misty morning sun. Nobody asks you where you are going. Nobody knows where you're from. Now you fly through the sky, never asking why. And you fly all around till somebody shoots you down. Yeah. Seagull, you fly. Seagull, you fly away. And you fly away today. And you fly away tomorrow. And you fly away. Lead me to my sorrow. Seagull, go on, fly. Fly to your tomorrow. Lead me to my sorrow.
Beautiful song. I enjoyed listening to it. It was kind of relaxing, soothing.
Yeah.
Kind of also sad because it's, you're asking some pertinent questions, at least couple of them. Wow. And yeah, also talks about the plight of the seagull. I hope that's not the case with most of them, or even few of them, that they're shot down
Yeah.
one fine day after they fly all over the place. Beautiful birds they are. Beautiful song. I enjoyed it, and I guess this is a period of reflection of the person. He's just reflecting on things or pondering things and thinking about stuff in general, and he's in a kind of a sad frame of mind, melancholic, feeling the melancholic feelings.
Okay.
And this is his experience, or this is what he's sharing while he's in that phase. Beautifully sung, beautifully written. Yeah, I enjoyed listening to it. I enjoyed it. It's a sad song, but at the same time, with the feel it gives while listening to it, with the acoustic guitar and his voice, soulful voice, does make you feel good. Does make you feel good. And I get what he's trying to say. You know, does the seagull actually know things? We don't bother about the seagull, but does the seagull actually know when the world is going to end? What's going to happen next as he flies around, or she flies around in the sky, high above? What are your thoughts on this song? I have more or less said what I have to.
I loved the way it was sung. I liked the way he sang the song. You know, if the guitar that was playing was special, his singing was like the crown of everything. I really liked the way he sang this entire song, made it his own, put feelings into those lines about a seagull. And it's a very amazing observation of a person when a bird flies. Here the example is given of a seagull. I can say a sparrow, I can say a crow, I can say many other birds. When they fly, they don't really worry about things. Probably they know much more than us how vast is this world, because they can fly in a jiffy and they can see things they can have an aerial view of things. We don't really have the gift of seeing things in the aerial view, that there somebody is crying, there somebody is having a party, there somebody is dying, the other side someone is shot down, on the other lane or the other street something else is happening, children are going to school, on the other lane maybe there is protest going on. The birds can definitely see those things. I think it doesn't really matter to them. It's as simple as that. And
Yeah,
that's
they
the
can
beauty
see
of
it, but they just
they
don't
don't
bother.
care about it.
They have
because
their own little world and
their
they're
life
happy
is
in
beautiful.
that, right?
Yeah, that's
Most
the
of the
beauty
time.
of their life.
Unless they're searching for food for their
Yeah.
young ones or themselves for a long time.
So he's
It's all about survival.
You know, he probably must be a person who has been so tired of being answerable to things, tackling with the society problems.
Who? The person
The
who's
person
singing.
who's
Oh,
comparing, making this observation, that how wonderful it would be to be in the place of the seagull, where the seagull is not asked all these questions: where you're coming from, what is your race, what is your religion, what is your fate, what do you earn enough money, not how are you doing in your life, and things like that. He could be just carefree, just living today and living tomorrow, and that's all, and living every single day of his life as simply as possible.
Yeah.
That's what I think he's getting at. He doesn't want to be burdened about things, doesn't want to be pressurized, just live life the way he would like to.
Yeah. Do you see any comparison or any theme in this song and the earlier one?
That I don't know. I don't really. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I definitely don't see any.
Yeah, I don't see.
Yeah, but who knows? We'll find out probably when the third song
It's
comes
the
along.
last song. Yeah.
It's a band we have heard a few songs of and we've liked them a
In the
lot.
recent times. Yeah.
Not recent times, Disturbed.
It's the recent time, like 1 year. Isn't it recent?
1 year is not recent on this platform.
Okay.
More than a year. It's been a
Yeah,
long
yeah.
time since we've heard the Disturbed last. Months and months. I think the last time was probably Land of Confusion, the cover of Phil Collins. Phil Collins or Genesis, right?
Genesis, I think,
cover.
Yeah.
That was the last time, if I remember correctly.
Yeah. It's okay.
Wow, let's get on with it. Let's see what's in store. We definitely like them.
Yeah.
And they have hard-hitting lyrics in their songs.
Yeah.
I remember a couple of their songs.
Yeah.
They may be covers, but the way they gave their own spin to it, with the music and mainly the vocals.
Yeah.
Wow, looking forward to that.
Refreshing. Thank you for watching. Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Disturbed. We are going to react to the song Another Way to Die. Yeah, Another Way to Die by Disturbed. I can confess that right in the beginning of this reaction, I like David Raymond's voice, the way he sings. So it may be slightly biased. Reaction.
Yeah. And this is from the album Asylum, if the
Asylum.
thumbnail that is provided is correct. Let's get started with our first time single take and honest reaction, at least by me. Let's get started.
The indulgence of our lives has cast a shadow on the world. Our devotion to our appetites betraying us all. In apocalyptic light, more destruction will unfold. Mother Earth will show her darker side and take a toll. It's just another way to die. There can be no other reason why, you know, we should have seen it coming. Consequences we cannot deny will be revealed in time. Glaciers melt as we pollute the sky, a sign of devastation coming. We don't need another way to die. Can we repent in time? The time bomb is ticking and no one is listening. Our future is fading. Is there any hope we'll survive? Still, we ravage the world that we love, and the millions cry out to be saved. Our endless maniacal appetite left us with another way to die. It's just another way to die. Ooh, can we repent in time? Greed and hunger led to our demise, a path I can't believe we followed. Black agendas rooted in a lie. Will we repent in time? Species fall before our very eyes, a world that they cannot survive in. Left them with another way to die. Are we dead inside? The time bomb is ticking and no one is listening. Our future is fading. Is there any hope we'll survive? Still, we ravage the world that we love, and the millions cry out to be saved. Our endless maniacal appetite left us with another way to die. It's just another way to die. Still, we ravage the world that we love, and the millions cry out to be saved. Our endless maniacal appetite left us with another way to die. It's just another way to die. Ooh, can we repent in time? It's just another way to die. Oh, can we repent in time?
Wow, 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 wow.
This is a good song, a really good song.
A song with great message, very strong lyrics, and
Very
great
strong
vocals.
lyrics, beautifully sung, and the bass guitar,
Yeah.
the lead guitar, the drums, everyone had a contribution in this one, and a purposeful contribution. It really sounded slick,
Yeah.
sounded smooth, it sounded good to listen to. Wow, this was good stuff, heavy stuff, really good to listen to. And yeah, it has a great message. What are your thoughts, Kirti?
You know, there is a lot of crap out there in the music at the moment, in this, at the current time, in this times. The modern music, or whatever we call, I won't say some of it is good, most of it isn't. It's just made for a few months time, and after that people can't really bear that music, people can't really listen to. But I would say Disturbed is making music just like the past bands made, the legendary bands made music that will last the test of time. It will be listened to and enjoyed by people even after 30 years, 40 years. I like this music. I like the construction of the music, the composition, the arrangement, that guitar. That was strong. That was strong. These days, music is made just for, I don't know what do they have in their mind, but just
Most
for the,
music,
Yeah, most of it.
not all.
Not all. I won't say all.
This is also modern music.
Yeah, but this is that
Sounds
is the difference.
recent.
Yeah.
Sounds recent.
That is the difference. What they are doing today will last longer than the rest of it that the others are making. Which is a
What
great
is your
thing.
take on this topic? Just another way to die.
Just another way to
Yeah,
die.
you know, is one way or another you're dead anyway.
Yeah.
What's your take on this? About it seems to be about Mother Nature, destroying Mother Nature. It's about pollution, polluting the environment. It's about all the crazy things we do to destroy nature. You know,
It's the
What-
exploitation of nature that
environmental
we continue to do.
degradation, environmental pollution, harming the environment, destroying the environment, ruining the environment, call it what you will. It seems to be about that. And now we are digging our own graves. So, what's your take on it? Anything else? Anything
You know,
different?
I'll come to it in a different way. Just yesterday or something, my son was asking which is the animal or species that lives the longest. I said tortoise. Then he said, does blue whale lives longer than tortoise because they look wrinkled and things like that? I said no. But then at that moment, thought occurred to my mind, the kind of things that we are doing to this planet, the kind of pollution that we are causing to this planet, the way we are polluting, the way we are exploiting it. We aren't only reducing our lifespan, we aren't only damaging us as human beings and mankind, but it's also is affecting all the other species on this planet. The longest living animals also have their lifespans reduced to a great extent. So if the tortoise was living up to 200 years, I assume at the moment their lifespan must be much shorter than that. And so as the other animals and birds and things like that.
Yeah, that's definitely one way to look at it. That voice though, the voice, wow. It's powerful, it's magnetic. You just want to hear his voice for a long time.
Yeah.
And it's really a different thing altogether when we listen to it with good quality headphones.
Yeah.
It's definitely a better experience than just listening to it with a stereo system or a computer speakers. Definitely a different story altogether. This requires a good set of headphones or a really good stereo system to listen to this one, and loud.
Disturbed has their heart in the right place. That's what I like about them.
We are disturbed. As a planet, as a species, we are disturbed.
They are disturbed.
We are disturbed and we are causing a bigger problem and a bigger disturbance the way we live our lives, our choices, our lifestyle choices. A single state in a particular country can totally ruin it, the life for everyone living in that state as well as for people in neighboring states. So that's the kind of lifestyle choices we make today. Whether you talk about a state in India or you talk about a state in America, it's no different really at the end of the day. And yeah, it's just a call to action what Disturbed is talking about in this song. Take matters into your own hands, do something about it. If you can't really plant a tree or save electricity or do the basic things which you can do from your own home, then at least don't cause it to become worse with your choices.
Yeah.
So that's the bottom line. Otherwise, it's just another way to die. I like the title. It has a nice ring to it. At the same time, it's pretty deep and meaningful when you think about it, the way it is sung and the way the lyrics flow. Beautiful, beautiful. This would be amazing to watch live with all those lights
Yeah,
and all
yeah.
that. His voice, the
With the
drums.
guitar playing like that and the lighting
Yeah,
changing.
all the
yeah.
lighting and all
Nice,
that.
Yeah.
It would be fabulous to watch it, yeah, especially if you're midway. I don't like being right at the front
Yeah.
at
That's
rock
too much.
concerts because you can't see all that very well.
No.
And I don't like being too way behind because then you can only see that.
You cannot see
You can't
anything
see.
else. Yeah.
So somewhere
Past that.
midway, depending on the size of the audience,
Yeah.
if it's an audience of 10,000 to 12,000, midway would be perfect.
The sides are
For
good.
a stadium
Sides
or
are
for a basketball court kind of thing, somewhere midway up would be perfect to get the best of both worlds. Good side of the band on stage as well as the lighting. Now, this would be phenomenal to watch live.
Yeah.
Yeah, great choices. All of them were a little bit different. I like Rise Against, I like Bad Company, and I like
I
this
think
one.
they all had good meaning or their message in this
Yeah.
song. The first one we couldn't really get, but it had something.
Yeah, these were good picks. We reacted to Judas Priest a bit earlier. Yeah, so this is a better
set.
than that one for the same painting for
Definitely.
sure.
Yeah.
That's it for this one. We're done, right?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.